Good evening, Drew. You're right. Forecasting tomorrow, we're looking at some possible wintry mix as the storm system that's currently sat over the state of Wisconsin will begin to track further south overnight tonight. And as we reach the daylight hours tomorrow, we could possibly see some snowfall in the northern portions of the viewing area. Looking at rain totals, though, we did have quite a bit of rain come down over the past 24 hours. Over 4 inches of rain in Taylorville and just shy of 4 inches in Paris. Champaign, our lowest on this graph, just over 1.5 inches, but widespread over 2 inches of rain and over 3 inches of rain some places locally. Looking at high temperatures for today, though, rain did affect the temperatures today. 67 in Charleston and in Paris, 64 for our coldest high in Taylorville, and in Terre Haute, they clocked in right at the 70-degree mark. Overnight tonight, 37 degrees, and those mostly cloudy conditions will be staying with us as winds will be blowing from the west, and that will be bringing in the rain and that wintry mix that I just told you about. And looking at our daily breakdown for tomorrow, we anticipate this rain and wintry mix to be with us for the entire daytime tomorrow. High temperature of 40 degrees as winds will continue to intensify, and around the 6 o'clock hour, winds coming consistently from the west at 25 to 30 miles an hour. And looking at Futurecast right now, we may still see a stray shower or two, but right around the early morning hours, or right around 10 o'clock, we'll start to see what Futurecast shows is snowfall. Now, we at the Weather Center believe that more the southern to south central portions of the viewing area will see a wintry mix. Some communities, including Champaign and Danville, could be seeing some snowfall. As you see, that's where this line of wintry mix is. We believe that it will be a little bit further to the north, but isolated throughout into the evening hours. As we reach into Thursday, that will start to wane out a little bit, but we will still expect to see some rainfall as we look ahead. Looking at snow totals, though, again, the northernmost communities could see a trace to up to 3/4 of an inch of accumulation, though we expect most of it to be less than 1/2 inch. And looking at the rest of your work week, on Thursday, 41 degrees with scattered rain, and on Friday, partly cloudy skies return, but a warm-up will begin as we look at the rest of your 7-day outlook. 50s for the start of the weekend, and as we get to the middle of next work week, temperatures will be back near the 60s. That was a look at your Skywatch forecast. Have a great evening.